This is my laptop, and recently I noticed I might run out of space, so I decided to get more memory because luckily this model of the Acer Nitro has a dual M2 SSD slot support. After unboxing the new SSD and unscrewing the 11 Phillips head screws, I pry off the back and reveal 3 months worth of dust collected by the fans. First, I unplugged the battery for safety. I took off the 3-year-old original fabric tape, and with the help of the cheapest toothbrush I could find and some insistent scrubbing, it was clean and ready for a final sweep before inserting the brand new SSD. Taking opportunity of the laptop being already disassembled, I also upgraded the bottleneck of this system that only has 8 GB of RAM with this Kingston Fury stick. After installing them back, I sealed the fans with transparent tape for better airflow and plugged the battery before giving the back cover a chiropractor's treatment. Turning it on and seeing the full RAM working, however, there is no sign of the new terabyte we just installed because it wasn't allocated yet, so all that's left to do is to find and format it. Now we can test the speed, and even though it's not 6000 megabytes per second, it's still a gazillion times faster than the old HDD, so the upgrade was definitely a success.